LiquiMoly Injection Cleaner is the cure for injection engines, which most modern cars are fitted with these days. Dirty nozzles cannot guarantee accurate injection. But even dirt on the intake and outlet valves disturbs the steady fuel flow. After the LiquiMoly Injection Cleaner has done its job, exact dosage and perfect atomization of the fuel is restored. The engine runs more smoothly and performance improves. Fuel consumption drops, and so does pollutant emission, all of which helps our environment. LiquiMoly, for maintaining your vehicle's technical and optical value. All from a single supplier.